Ah, shit.
Bro, what the fuck?
Yo, it's an accident. It's an accident, bro.
What was that, bro?
Quick. Before you want to get stabbed.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
No, I don't want to get stabbed. Oh, excuse me?
Oh, she can help you.
Oh.
That's crazy. How can I help?
It's gonna sound embarrassing, but like,
No, it's okay.
you know the extra small condoms are?
It's just gonna be with like the regular one.
Bro, why are you making fun of me?
It's just gonna be with the regular one.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Is it extra small?
You just gotta look at the sizes, bro.
Oh, alright. Ah, shit.
bro, what the fuck?
Yo, it's an accident. It's an accident, bro.
What are you doing?
I just sneezed, bro.
Say to put it back in your
No. It's a prank. It's water. Alright, so we just got kicked out of the mall for sneezing on someone. Nigga got mad tight. Yo, he was pressing my man's Cairo and he pressed me. And so basically he was like, yo, want me to wipe it on your face? Bro got his hand and put his hand on my face and wipe the sneeze on my face, bro. Like, bro, I was shook, bro. I thought he was gonna smack me, but you got kicked out. We gotta go back in, bro. I'm doing this for y'all. We can get arrested, so like and subscribe, bro. Ah, shit. Fuck. My bad. I just sneezed, bro. My bad. Want me to wipe it off? I'll get like a napkin or some shit. I had to sneeze. My bad. My bad, I had to sneeze, bro. Can I get like a napkin for you? My bad. Yo, it's a prank, bro. It's a prank. It's water. My bad.
I'm just on break, bro.
Ah, shit. Damn. My bad. I had to sneeze. Bro, why you getting mad, bro? Bro, lower your tone, bro. Bro, lower your motherfucking tone, bro. It was an accident, bro. Okay, my bad. Yeah. Alright, just lower your tone, bro. Damn. Ah, shit. My bad. I had to sneeze.
Yo, what kind of game you trying to play?
I had to sneeze.
Yo, back the fuck up off me. Real fast.
My bad.
Quick. Before you want to get stabbed.
Oh, shit.
Back up off me.
No, I don't want to get stabbed. Shit. Shaitan was a pro. Shaitan was a prank. Nah, he got a knife, bro. I don't even want to go over there. Ah, shit. My bad.
What's up, man?
I had to sneeze. My bad. It just came out. My bad. No. I was trying to go like over here. I'm so sorry. You want me to wipe it off?
No.
Okay, I'm sorry. Damn. Fuck, I need a tissue.
That was stupid.
Huh?
That was stupid.
I know, yeah. I'm so sorry.
I know you did it on purpose.
No, I didn't.
That's how you get locked up, man.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You're just gonna pretend that never happened.
Alright. Can you see? Oh, shit.
Are you literally?
Yo, I'm so sorry.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit. My bad.
Yo, don't be spraying me with no shit.
No, I just sneezed.
Well, that's fucking disgusting.
I'm sorry. Oh shit. My bad. My bad. Fuck. I feel so embarrassed, bro. Oh shit. Alright, so we in Times Square right now. Hopefully we can find some people and sneeze on them. Let's do it. Excuse me. I have a question. Can I ask a question real quick? You don't have an answer? Damn. Excuse me. Oh shit. Damn. You want me to wipe it off with my hand?
No.
Damn. You sure?
Yes.
I feel so embarrassed. Fuck.
All right. Can you please? I see that you're filming.
What happened? Shit. Hey! It was by accident.
Abi çocuk geldi bana tekrar şey yaptı ya.
I just sneezed.
Evet. Why?
No, I just sneezed. Oh shit. My bad, bro. I just sneezed, bro. Yo, it's a prank, bro. It's a prank. Shoot! Ah, shit. My bad. Fuck. I'm so sorry. Did I sneeze on you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's bad. Fuck. Ah, shit.
Dude, get the fuck away from me. Get the fuck away. Yeah, what are you doing? Get the fuck away.
Damn. Yo, stop following me, bro.